Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing a second sun in the sky. Not in a movie, not in a simulation. Real. Because 650 light years away, a giant star may have just died, and Earth is only now getting the message. Its name is Betelgeuse, one of the largest stars humans have ever discovered, nearly 950 times bigger than our Sun. So massive that if it replaced our Sun, it would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, and possibly even Jupiter. But here's the strange part. Astronomers think Betelgeuse is already living on borrowed time. Right now, deep inside that glowing red monster, something is changing. Its core is collapsing. Its fuel is running out. And one day, without warning, it will explode with more energy than our Sun will produce in its entire lifetime. The terrifying part? That explosion could have already happened. We just don't know it yet. Because the light from Betelgeuse takes 650 years to reach Earth. Which means if the star died in the 1300s, tonight could be the night we finally see it. And that's when things changed. For months, astronomers noticed something bizarre. Betelgeuse suddenly dimmed. Massive sections of the star appeared to vanish. Some scientists wondered if this was it. The beginning of the end. The internet exploded with theories. Was Betelgeuse about to go supernova? Would Earth survive? Or were we about to witness the brightest explosion in human history? But that's not even the craziest part. If Betelgeuse detonated today, the sky itself would transform. At night, the explosion could shine brighter than the full moon. During the day, you might still see it glowing beside the sun. For weeks, maybe months, humanity would stare upward in disbelief. A dead star lighting up Earth. And yet, somehow, we survive. That sounds impossible, right? A star nearly 1,000 times bigger than the sun explodes, and nobody dies? Here's why. Betelgeuse is unbelievably far away. About 650 light years from Earth. In cosmic terms, that's close. But for a supernova, it's just far enough to spare us from total annihilation. And this is where it gets weird. If Betelgeuse were only 50 light years away, everything would change instantly. The explosion would blast Earth with deadly gamma radiation. Our atmosphere would begin collapsing. Ozone protection? Gone. The surface of the planet would be cooked by invisible energy traveling at light speed. Skin would burn. DNA would mutate. Entire ecosystems would collapse in weeks. What happens next changes everything. Most people imagine a supernova as one giant boom. But the reality is worse. The star dies slowly, then violently. First, the core implodes. In less than a second, temperatures become so extreme that atoms themselves begin breaking apart. Then the outer layers rebound outward in a catastrophic shockwave moving millions of kilometers per hour. For a brief moment, Betelgeuse could outshine entire galaxies. And if Earth were closer, there would be nowhere to hide. Not underground, not underwater, not even on another planet. That's because gamma radiation doesn't care about borders, oceans, or atmospheres. It tears through matter like it barely exists. Human civilization would vanish before people even understood what was happening. But here's the twist nobody expects. The actual explosion wouldn't be the scariest part. It would be the silence afterward. No birds, no cities, no signals from Earth. Just a burned-out planet drifting beneath the fading light of a dead star. Thankfully, reality gives us one massive advantage: distance. And that single detail may be the only reason humanity survives at all. But Betelgeuse still leaves us with a terrifying question. If a dying star this massive can explode without warning, what else is out there right now? Because the universe is filled with objects far more dangerous than Betelgeuse. And some don't even need to explode. Take quasars, the brightest objects ever discovered, powered by supermassive black holes devouring entire stars. A single quasar can unleash more energy than trillions of suns combined. Now imagine one entering our solar system. Sounds impossible, but so did exploding stars until astronomers found them. And that's the unsettling truth hiding behind Betelgeuse. The cosmos is not stable. It only looks stable because human lives are too short to watch the chaos unfold. Stars die, galaxies collide, black holes consume light itself. And somewhere in deep space, something catastrophic could already be moving toward us right now. But here's the strangest part of all. When Betelgeuse finally explodes, humanity won't run from it. We'll watch. Billions of people stepping outside together, looking up at Orion, witnessing the death of a star older than human civilization itself. A cosmic funeral visible across Earth. For one brief moment, every war, every country, every distraction disappears beneath a single glowing light in the sky. And then, darkness returns. Betelgeuse will vanish forever. The Orion constellation will never look the same again. Astronomers will rewrite textbooks. Children not yet born will study the night the sky changed. But the real question isn't when Betelgeuse explodes. It's this. If one dying star can remind us how fragile we are, what happens when the next cosmic threat isn't 650 light-years away?